Hi, welcome to Pharmaceutical Concept, a channel for health, wellness, and pharmaceutical sciences. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today's topic of discussion is 7 important interview questions for quality control and analytical R&D department. Define acid. A substance which gives hydronium ions H plus in aqueous solution is called as acid. Example: dilute hydrochloric acid, dilute nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. Define base. A substance which gives hydroxyl ions OH minus in aqueous solution is called as base. KOH, sodium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. What is buffer? A solution which resists the change in pH upon the small addition of acid or alkali. What is buffer solution? Buffer capacity. It is defined as the moles of strong acid or base required to change the pH of 1 liter of buffer solution by 1 unit. What is HPLC? High performance liquid chromatography is an analytical technique to separate, identify, and quantify components in a mixture. What is the principle of HPLC? The principle of separation in normal and reverse phase chromatography is adsorption. When mixture of compounds are introduced in the HPLC column, they travel according to the relative affinity towards the stationary phase. The components which are more affinity towards the adsorbent travel slower. The components which are less affinity towards the adsorbent travel faster. What are the modes of HPLC? Normal phase, polar stationary phase, non-polar solvent mobile phase, reverse phase, non-polar stationary phase, polar solvent mobile phase. Classification of HPLC based on the modes of chromatography: normal phase, reverse phase. Based on the elution technique: isocratic separation, gradient separation. What are the different parts of HPLC? Reservoir, degasser, solvent delivery system, pump, injector, column, detectors, recorders for data collection. What is mobile phase in HPLC? The liquid that moves the solute from column. What is the stationary phase in HPLC? The packing metal of the column, which is in mobile phase, involved in the chromatographic process, column used as stationary phase. What is retention time? The time taken by the analyte peak to reach the detector after sample injection. The amount of time it takes the compound to pass through the column is retention time. What is RRT? It is a comparison of RT of one compound to the another. What are the advantages of HPLC? Speed, efficiency, accuracy compared to the other chromatographic method like TLC. Why do we get negative peaks in HPLC? Negative peaks means a less absorption while the peak is passing through the detector than the mobile phase is passing through. What is the USP tailing factor? The tailing factor is the measure of peak tailing. It is defined as the distance from the front slope of the peak to the back slope divided by twice the distance from the center line of the peak to the front slope, with all measurements made at 5% of the maximum peak height. What is the needle wash in HPLC? The needle wash in the HPLC system is used to introduce a sample into the mobile face. The needle wash is used to clean the needle after sampling. Thanks for your time. Consider subscribing our channel Pharmaceutical Concept. Like, comment, share and subscribe Pharmaceutical Concept.